Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's get started with the tutorial. I've already done my base. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows now. I'm using the Nykaa brow definer, which is one of my favorite affordable brow products. It fills in the brows really well. It's not too dry, not too creamy, and I love the little spoolie brush it comes with at the other end. Next, I'm going to use a concealer on my eyelids to create a base because I'll be using a bright matte eyeshadow and some of these shades need a base to work on. Now, you don't have to use the exact same products that I use in my videos. I try to show you more technique rather than products so that you can recreate the look using a completely different set of products if you want. I'm using the Bikini bottom palette here from the brand Root Cosmetics, and I love this palette. It is so pigmented, the color selection is beautiful, a really nice mix of brights and neutral colors. I've used this purpley magenta pink all over my lid, and now for my lower lash line I'm using a really shimmery rich bronze color. And then just for the outer corners I'm using a matte dark brown to give it a little more depth and definition. I'm really happy with the quality of eyeshadows from this palette. I got it from Nykaa. I'm going to link it in the description box below. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite concealers of all time, and this is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer. I'm using it in my under eye area. It conceals, it brightens well, and it still looks really natural. It's not a very cakey or dry concealer, and that's what I love. I'm then using the Mirrorholic cream eyeshadows from Etude House, and I love these shimmery eyeshadows, just using it in the inner corner to highlight. And then for the lashes I'm using this new mascara that I picked up from PAC, and I've been loving this. Gives lots of volume. I'm using it on the top as well as the bottom lashes. I'm also using a pair of false lashes, and these are by PAC. These are the tapered lashes number 3, and I love them because they are flared at the ends and they just give this beautiful lift to the eyes. Next, I'm going to use an angled brush, take a little bit of this Kohl by Chambord, and I'm just using that to hide any glue, any visible glue on the lashes, because that just kind of spoils the whole look. But I didn't want a thick liner, so I'm just using a bit of that liner on a brush. Now coming back to the face, I'm going to be doing a bit of contouring, and the Bahama Mama Bronzer from theBalm is possibly my all-time favorite contouring product. The color is just perfect. That cool undertone works beautifully on my medium skin as a contouring product, and I highly recommend this. Then for the blush I'm using Fleur Power by MAC, which is also again one of my favorite pink blushes. I've been using it for so long. It's also one of those blushes that works on all skin tones. Then to highlight, I'm using the Nykaa highlighter, which I think is a really nice affordable highlighter that still gives you that really high shine finish. Which brings us to the last step, and that is lipstick. I've chosen a really soft muted pink color so that it doesn't clash with the really bold eye, and this is by Lakme. This is one of the new matte melt shades, and I absolutely love this color. Such a beautiful natural looking pink. And that is all. That is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me a comment if you like this look, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.